Snickers, a world-renowned chocolate, has a distinctive taste, and milk chocolate, which is creamy, is first made for its production. For this, chocolate is mixed with cocoa butter in a mixer and mixed well until it becomes creamy. It takes 7,550 cows of milk a day to make Snickers caramels and chocolates. Peanuts are another staple of Snickers. About 71 acres of peanuts are used in one day, and there are 28 peanuts in a Snickers bar. Creamy caramel mixed with salted peanuts gives Snickers a unique taste. This mixture of caramel and peanuts is transferred from the mixer to a cooling roll. The bottom layer of Snickers is a creamy nougat made with milk, sugar and eggs. The caramel and peanut butter on top of the nougat is taken out of the cooling roll and spread out like a sheet, then passed through a sitter machine and rake up to the size of a Snickers bar. The bottom is then covered with chocolate. It is then passed completely through a chocolate roller and covered in chocolate. For the final touch, Snickers signature swirls are made on top. It is cooled as soon as possible and then sent for packing. How are the views of making Snickers? If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.